So his wings will, shoulders of his wings come up here. And then, couldn't put like spikes down his back.
Yeah, right.
But
so is this a handle?
This is going to be a knife handle.
Okay, yeah, so you definitely don't want...
Yeah, too much. I mean, this is pushing it, but I just couldn't carve away that much whale's tooth. And I'm pretty sure it's not meant to be like a working knife, more than like a showpiece. It would look pretty awesome sticking out of somebody's belt,
Yeah.
It's basically roughed in, so I did do detail work on the hands, paws, whatever.
Yeah. And oh yeah, I can see the blood veins.
Yeah. I'm gonna get that crazy with it if I can, and of course when I get into the scales and so forth. And over on this side, I penciled in. I don't know, they're kind of worn off, but the teeth are gonna look very gnashy,
Oh yeah. Yeah, I can see the pencil lines.
Inlay some eyes and stuff. And I got a repair work to do on this beautiful vase here. Satsumi pottery vase, and I'm fixing it up. I'm going to put a silver base on it. Not much else going on up here.